Now, what are the advantages of demonetization? First is abolish black money. This step by government abolish black money from the economy as a holder were in the position to deposit the same in the banks. डिमोनेटाइजेशन का जो मेन पर्पस था वो ब्लैक मनी को रिमूव करना था. द सेकेंड इज strengthen Indian banking system. This step led to more amount being deposited in saving and current account. This enhanced the liquidity position of the bank, which could be utilized further for lending purpose or make a Indian banking system strong. Because if people deposit their money in saving and current account, then the liquidity positions of the banks increase and the money is used for the lending purpose. Third is higher tax collections. This initiative led to higher tax collection as some businessmen were depositing cash lying with them as current year income with advanced tax. And tax evasion could also be checked. Government could use this tax revenue for the betterment of the society. Next, fourth point is price cut in real estate. It is generally observation that the real estate prices increase because of circulations of black money in this market. The real estate experienced price cut because of check on circulation of black money in this sector. Fifth point is corruption control. This step taken by the government controlled corruption to some extent and for considerable time period, which in return attracted foreign investors to Indian market. If this initiative taken by the government is able to curb prevailing corruption and the red tapeism, Indian market being preferable market for foreign investment will observe increase in foreign investment. So, using the demonetization, we can remove the corruption from the country and foreign investors invest the money in the India. And very important point is cashless economy. This drive targeted the Indian economy to become cashless economy. The government succeeded encouraging people to use digital means for making the transactions. As we know some merits of the demonetizations, there are some demerits also of the demonetization. The first disadvantages is adverse impact on primary producer and informal sector. Producer in primary sector and informal sector face tough time as they mainly deal in cash transactions, and due to lack of currency inflow they were offered less price by the buyer. Lack of knowledge of using digital cash both by some buyers and sellers further put their business on the dormant phase. Second is excessive burden on banking employees. Due to the demonetization, excessive burden on bank employees to cope with the difficult situation of exchanging scrap currency notes with a limited time period. The employees were involved in multitasking that involved checking forms, identity proof, veracity of old notes, and then giving back in exchanging the new notes. Third is decreasing in demand. This derive led to fall in demand in those sectors where black money supports real economy. There were fall in the demand as holders of black money demanded less amount of goods and services. Higher cost of printing new currency. Destruction of old currency notes and printing of new currency units involve high cost which had to be borne by the government. And last point is could not target the entire black money. This move did target the black money, but many people who had not kept cash as their black money and had held it other assets like real estate or a gold were not be affected by the demonetization.